Are they fun? Be careful. Be gentle. Sit them down. Yeah, they got nails.
Uh-oh.
I know. Be gentle.
Oh.
Yeah? They want to go be nosy. It was their 5-week checkup for this group, and they are growing well. However, they are being very difficult on Mama, so she gets a pass. She's gonna go move to her own cage, and these guys are 5 weeks old. There's no reason for them to be nursing at all, so she just needs a break. They're being rough on her. So they are also being terrible about sitting in bowls, taking a dump while they're eating, and causing all kinds of issues too. While they were digging in the trough, they've gotten a little bit older. I'm gonna try it again, see how they do with that. This bunch has been a troublemaker, let me tell you. They are all sold. They're going to out of state, in state, all over the place in about 3 to 4 weeks. So they're gonna mostly just trying to let them mature, learn to be older, easy to handle bunnies until then. But anyway, so we're just gonna keep handling them. And also at the 5-week point, I weigh them. I've been starting to track the weights just to see how things are going. If my suspicions, it's more just proof of concept to see. I have started feeding Mana Pro to the adults, not a lot, very well mixed into their food, just to see if it helps them continue to eat. And it keeps them, yeah, I rock, I know. Keeps them from having off days, things like that. But I also had the curiosity to see if the moms are getting it while they're pregnant. Is that helping them raise bigger, stronger babies? Things like that. So that's going to be a while before I can prove it out, just because I got to do it a bunch of times to see. Are you going to brush them? Oh, gentle, gentle. Good job. Yeah, brush that one.
Yeah.
Brush this way. Watch. Let me show you. Watch. You go like this with the fur, okay? Like that. You try. Not your own hair. Brush the bunnies. Brush the bunnies. Use a comb. Good job. Easy. Yeah? You're trying so hard. Good job.